Today we're checking in with our Smile Jammers, and the question is, what did you love most about your childhood? Here's the first one from Kerry Ann Davis.
I enjoy this. I'm just afraid of this. Getting my hair washed Sunday morning and it's left all day to be combed in the evening. Mercy, and it's worse. Exactly. Worse if the comb my... I used to
Yeah,
up
but
comb
in the
regular.
horrors of natural hair, but the question is what you enjoyed. This doesn't sound like you enjoyed
Well,
this.
maybe she did. Maybe it's a pleasant memory for her.
What I enjoyed most was when the electricity gone and we light our bottle torch and sit and tell duppy stories.
No.
When it's time for everybody to go home, nobody could move because everybody afraid of the one teeth. Dracula says.
Cahoon Unpredictable Life, Lewis.
All right, there you
What
go.
a long name.
This is Theresa Jones.
Taking the train to the country, no electricity, no plumbing. And nights when Grandma said lights out and lanterns were turned off, we would go outside and catch peony Wally and put them in bottles for light. Oh, there's more. Going to the river to catch water and doing laundry was fun and exciting. Then there was a time I went to bush with Grandma and grass lice. Nearly lit me alive. I had to strip down. For them to be taken off one by one, I wish I could relive some of it. You want to relive the grass lice,
well, that's so
Teresa?
exciting, truth
I'm
be
not
told.
really sure. Okay.
Pachaloy Williams. I remember when my friends and I used to carry cardboards to school so we could skate on our bottoms into a banana walk. Guess what? We had to run after because the owner of the banana walk was after us.
I tried it down a hill one time when I went to country for summer, but I never had the board. And when I got up, my pants was
Okay then.
split into two.
Okay.
But it was worth it. Cheryl Graham Bowman says, playing lots of games like jacks, dandy shandy, Chinese skips, Tucky, 1, 2, 3 red light. It is a miracle I learned anything in school. I had a happy, playful childhood.
Great. Claudia
gosh.
Brown Francis. Instead of catching water in my mother's water jugs, my friends and I would burst them on purpose and use them to make skates.
What?
Sometimes we skate down the hills until the jugs were all rubbed out and the asphalt on our butts began to burn. So you enjoy that.
You bust up your mum in them water jug. All right, Alexia Davis says, I got the chance to travel a lot from as early as 7 years old. My mum and other family members made sure my siblings and I were exposed to the different cultures around, lifestyle and races. It was fun. That would have been fun, for true.
And Charlene Davis says, my summer and Christmas holidays in Frankfield, Clarendon. We would wake at 5:30, go tie the goat, search for water grass for the pig. On weekends, we rode the donkey into Frankfield Market, give the seller orange and get vegetables. Those were the days, Charlene, you're
You
right.
used to ride donkey?
Me? No.
You never ride no donkey?
No. No.
Okay, because you was a town
Yeah,
youth.
I'm say patient man ride donkey.
You couldn't.
Never
Okay.
patient.
Okay, I see. All right, Marie Phil Regard says, I love spending my summers with my aunties in the country, climbing trees, help harvesting the crops and bringing water to the animals. Then you're rewarded with some hot cow's milk or any fruit that's in season.
There you
Hot
go.
cow's milk, wow.
Dela Clayton, is that right? Dela?
Dealer, it looks
Dela.
like.
Playing marbles and winning, making kites, box chuck and slingshot, aka bingy, to shoot birds, sliding down the gully in chicken box. Most of all, how loved I was by my grandparents.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, man. That's it, Jody?
Nope.
Okay. Angie Beckford says, what I miss most about my childhood days is on holidays, we would go to Bible school and meet white people because the only time we ever saw them was on...
This is the last one, Jody? Oh, there's more?
Oh, gosh.
Karen Henry, walk out or drive out on Sunday evenings with my family, eating ice cream and potato pudding at home or at a neighbor's home. All right, that's it? That's the last
These
one.
are simple things, man. The simple things. Our kids don't do half of these things anymore.
Yeah, we'll have some Instagram ones.
All right. Lavina Calvin says, playing games like Ludo, Rundown, and Lick, and of course, Dandy Shandy with my family.
Phenomenal Empress. My people, my people, my people. Going to a hotel in the summer, playing games such as marble, Chinese skip, bat and run off. Bat and run off
Bat and run off?
is what? What that?
No,
Baseball.
it's not baseball we used to call it.
1, 2, 3, red light
It's,
and dolly house. Then bat and run off no baseball, you know, lick
No,
it and
man.
run. What do you
It's
call
not,
it?
I don't remember, but it's not that we used to call it. King Raga says when the family would sit on the veranda and have Sunday dinner and just chat and laugh for a good while.
I'm a what? Everlasting trips to the country with my family. We just pack up the van and head out to wherever. Now I'm a journalist and do that for work.
Oh, yay. I bet it's not as much fun now. Tashana KW says, not paying bills. Yes, we all feel that way. But I also truly loved being able to be a child, playing with my cousins, the ring games, the climbing of the trees, going to the river. Loved all the time spent at school and home. We were able to just be kids, young, wild, and free.
All right, I think that's the last one.
Don't take daring walk?
Okay, being taken care of and not having a care in the world.
Yeah, I miss those days for true. Adulting is good, but boy, sometimes adulting is not fun.
Yeah, adulting is a trap. It is a trap. I found that out. Anytime the parents start telling you have to do things yourself, that's it.
I don't know.
That's it.
Adulting is good. It just comes with too many responsibilities.
Yep. Is that a trap?
Too many.
All right, we're going to go for a break, folks. We'll come back in just a little while with more on Smile. Stay with us, please.